Struggling to sync your cuts perfectly with the beat? Don't worry. CapCut's got a hidden feature that does all the work for you. Let's make your video dance to the rhythm. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and add both your audio and video files that you want to edit. Once imported, add the audio file to the track first. With your audio layer selected, tap Auto Mark Beats. Here, you can see two beat options. Select one that best matches your music rhythm. CapCut will automatically analyze your audio and place beat markers along the track. These markers represent the exact points where the music beats hit, making it easier for you to time your cuts perfectly. After that, move the playhead to the part where the song starts and use the split tool to cut and delete the silent part. Now, let's start syncing the videos. Drag your first video clip into the track right above the audio layer. Move the end of the video clip to match the first beat marker. Use the split tool to cut the excess part. Now, add your second video clip, drag it to the track, align it with the next beat marker, and again, use the split tool to trim any extra footage. Repeat this process for all of your videos. Just align each video with the beat markers. This saves you from manually guessing where the beats are, giving you perfect timing every time. Once all the videos are aligned, select both your audio and video layers and use the split tool one last time to make sure the end of your project lines up perfectly with the music. Now, to make the video more dynamic, go to the Effects tab. Under Video Effects, look for the Vaporwave effect. This effect adds a subtle light and smooth transition movement that complements beat-based edit. Drag it to the track and adjust its duration to cover the entire video. Once you're done, let's preview the video to see the result. Once you're happy with the result, tap the export button to save your video. And that's it. You've just mastered CapCut's Automark Beat feature, the secret to perfect beat syncing every time. I've got a free step-by-step guide link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!